In this quick 1-minute tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to verify your phone number on Discord, step by step. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Look at the bottom left and click the little gear icon next to your username to open user settings. This opens the settings menu. At the very top, make sure you're on the My Account section. In My Account, find the Phone section. If you haven't added a number yet, you'll see an option to add a phone. Click Add or the Phone field to start connecting your number to your Discord account. A pop-up will open asking for your phone number. Choose your country code and carefully type your mobile number. Double-check the number is correct, then click Next or Send to receive a verification code by text message. Now, grab your phone and open the text message from Discord. It will contain a short verification code. Back in Discord, type that code into the verification box exactly as shown in the message. Click Verify or Submit. If the code is correct, Discord will link your phone number to your account. You're all set. Your phone number is now verified on Discord, adding an extra layer of security and trust to your account.